are here. We are here to fight a battle, a fair battle with no weapon. Suriashi is a training where you keep your feet on the ground and you're sliding across the ground. Keeping balance, being able to use your strength. Most wrestlers will do this 200, 300, 400 a day. Some would even do it in their sleep. These guys are training every day, so they train a lot and they're very strong, so it takes time to get there. They're a different breed. Go! See what I mean?
They do the same kirikaeshi, but a little bit more on a hyper speed.
You can see it starts at 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 years old. So they were both doing a breath throw called kokyunage, and our older, younger students are doing ikkyo, which is first teaching war over. So they are learning how to touch each other in safe ways, get out of the way of problems, and have a good time at the same time. The founder of Aikido was insistent that this practice be done in a very joyful manner. So no matter what, for the hour, 2 or 4 that you train on a daily basis, you are seeking some sense of joy no matter what the circumstances. They're going to go ahead and finish out by bowing to their partners as they do, teaching about how to be graceful in that way. And now, this is the cool part. The adults wish they could do this. Their job is to get out of the way of something coming down over the top of their head and do it as fast as they can. When they get better, it comes any direction. So you can imagine how they learn how to be in the right place at the right time. Thank you very much. Excellent. You have to realize that although this is what we call practice, at this level of training, people are very sincere about how they offer what we call an attack. You could also picture this as a request. A person taking the knife away is trying to create safety when there could be lethal harm. It might look challenging to you, but if you ask the practitioners, they'll tell you that they are feeling very safe. They're safe because they understand and trust one another to take care.